I have done a little work to answer the questions from Yellow box. Excel is showing an incorrect answer. I have a simple formula. Accordingly, if the number in cell N15 is the same as the number in cell N44, the answer should be okay. However, it is not. So I just wanted to check whether what he says is okay or what is the problem. Cells N15 and N44 are too far away in the Excel sheet for me to explain. Therefore, I will not use these cells. I have taken two cells close and then use the same conditions and then check what is the problem. So let us go to the problem. And 3 here. I'll put a calculation here. So here it is at 10 plus 0.0002, 4 zeros 2. Now what I will do is I'll just replace it with 10 only, right? And I put another 10 here equal to 10 I'll put, so that there's no problem. And then I have taken an addition here. So here is a summation of two numbers. So n3 plus n4 plus n5 is equal to n6, right? Sum of n4 plus n5. Now here what I'm going to do is I have to give the number here, just a 20, the same number I'm going to put. So enter the result. Enter the result as I see here. Please note, I have put the number format here as 0. That is, decimal will be 0 here. It will be shown as integers, right? Okay. So if I want 1, I can put 1. So I'll make it as 1 also. So 1 decimal. Right? Now it's 10.0. It is 10. And then answer is 20. And I have entered the result 20. Now I'm going to put the condition. If condition. If condition. So I'll put equal to if, that is n8 is equal to, this is n8, this is n8, this is n6. So if n6 is equal to n8, comma, okay. Otherwise, oops, I'll put, close the bracket. This is working fine, right? But suppose I put here 10 plus 3, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So that is again 10 here, but your answer is oops here. So in order to eliminate that error, because I have to put the condition, right? So what I will put here is, if absolute n6 minus n8 is less than some value, right? So less than, so I will put it as 1 into e power, that is 10 to the power of minus 10, I'll put minus 10. That is the limitation. That much error is okay, right? Then it's oops, I think, that the error I'm reducing it, right? I'll put here. Now it's again oops. I'll put 1, third decimal. I'll put a comma here, I'll put a comma here, right? So okay, now see here, that is, it is given error up to 0.001. If I make it as 0, another 0, then it will give oops. So up to 0.0001, it is okay. Up to 0.0001, it is okay. If I make it as greater than that, so it's oops. So it is because when you are doing the calculations, this calculation is floating point calculations. Up to 14 decimals it will check, right? Now we are going to check only up to 3 decimals or 4 decimals, and therefore it is okay. If you are checking more than 4 decimals, it gives you oops. So you'll have to be careful that better always put a condition here. What is accuracy you want? This accuracy is best. If I put 0.01, very good. Otherwise, it will be giving you oops here, right? The more accuracy if you want, it will give you oops here. And it is giving you more accuracy. Excel is giving you more accurate value. That is why it is giving you oops. So that you will have to make it approximation, you will have to have an error. That error should be 0.0000, any accuracy you want, and better to keep it as 0.01, something like that, so that you will always have equal to, even if it is close to 10.0203 and all. If you want the accuracy to be more, then make it increasing, 0.0001. Another 0 I'll put. Then it is oops. Then what I should do? Then this is not the thing. I'll put another 0 here. Another 0 here. Another 0 here. It's okay now. So because that is like it's okay. This much accuracy we don't want. Therefore, it is 10 plus 0.00002 is nothing but 10 only. Therefore, it is taking it as 10 and it's okay. Therefore, it all depends upon the floating point calculation is up to 14 decimals. Therefore, you will have to give an accuracy in the form of, see, a small delta value. Normally, they will give us 0.0001, right? There will be no. So, you'll have to see to it that you know what accuracy you want to equate these two, and then put that condition here, slightly greater than that, then it will be giving you equal values. Okay, I hope that answers the question properly. Thank you very much.